Maria Montessori once said, "The hands are the instruments of humans' intelligence." I take that to mean that whenever possible, we engage students' work through the use of their hands. We see this starting in the toddler classrooms when our youngest students are doing things like washing the windows, or a Montessori favorite, washing the baby. Students in the children's house are beginning to understand things like quantity and weight through interactions with materials like the red and blue rods and the knobbed cylinders. They continue to hone their ability to care for their environment and start to be introduced to real live tools like brooms and mops, and they use them in an authentic way. As students come into the 6 to 9 program, they continue to use their hands to build their intelligence, both by working with practical life activities like food preparation, but also using hands-on materials to understand really abstract mathematical concepts like multiplication and division. As students enter the 9 to 12 program, they begin to tinker and make and paint and draw and continue to demonstrate their understanding of the world through the work of their hands. I'm proud of the way that we honor Montessori's inclination to engage the students' hands as an instrument of their own intelligence.